Hello, everyone. My name is Jessica.
And I'm Daniel. Welcome back to our story.
Today's story is simple but funny.
Yes, we woke up this morning feeling very hungry.
But when we checked our kitchen,
There was no food. Nothing at all.
so today we want to show you what we did.
Let's start our story.
Daniel, I feel hungry.
Me too. Let's check the fridge.
Oh no, it's empty.
Let me see. 1 lemon, 1 bottle of water, half a tomato.
That's all?
Yes. Nothing else.
No bread, no eggs, no noodles.
No snacks, no fruits, no vegetables.
So, what do we do now?
Let's order food online.
Good idea.
Hello, Sunny Food Delivery. How may I help you?
Hello, I want to order some food, please.
Sure. What size pizza would you like? Small, medium, or large?
Large pizza, please.
Great. What flavor? Cheese, chicken, beef, or veggie?
Cheese pizza. And please add extra cheese.
Okay. Large cheese pizza with extra cheese. Would you like a salad?
Yes, 1 green salad.
What dressing? Lemon, olive oil, or yogurt?
Olive oil dressing.
Any drinks?
Yes, 2 soft drinks.
Which ones?
1 Coke and 1 orange drink.
Would you like a burger?
Yes, 1 beef burger with cheese.
Let me repeat your order. Large cheese pizza with extra cheese, green salad with olive oil, beef burger with cheese, 1 Coke, 1 orange drink. Is everything correct?
Yes, that's correct.
May I have your address?
12 Green Street, Sunny Village, apartment 3B.
Your phone number?
34552390.
Thank you. Your order will arrive in 25-30 minutes.
Great. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
So, what did you order?
Pizza, salad, a beef burger, and 2 soft drinks.
Perfect. I'm excited.
Me too. I'm very hungry.
Oh, the food is here.
Hello. Delivery for Jessica.
Yes, that's us. Thank you.
Here is your order. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you so much. Wow. This pizza looks amazing.
And the salad looks fresh.
Here is your burger
Yes, my favorite.
and our drinks. Nice and cold. The pizza is delicious. I love how soft the crust is.
Yeah, the crust is perfect. Not too thick, not too thin.
And look at the toppings. The cheese is melted so nicely. I think they used mozzarella.
Yes, and they added tomato sauce, mushrooms, peppers, and a little oregano on top. It tastes like a fresh restaurant-style pizza.
Our order was a good choice. I'm happy we picked the cheese and veggie mix.
My burger is great too. The patty tastes fresh. I think they grilled it. You can see the grill lines.
Grilled burgers always taste better. Crispy outside, juicy inside. What else is inside your burger?
lettuce, tomato, cheese, and a little sauce. The bun is soft too, not dry at all.
That sounds perfect. And the salad tastes very fresh. Lots of crunchy lettuce, tomatoes, cucumbers, and a light dressing.
Yeah, the dressing is simple. Olive oil, lemon, salt, very refreshing.
Soft drinks time. My orange soda is so cold and sweet.
And my cola has the perfect fizz. Sometimes cold drinks just make everything better.
I love eating with you. Everything tastes better when we eat together.
Same here. Ordering food today was the best idea.
Next time, we can try a different pizza. Maybe chicken or pepperoni.
Or a double cheeseburger for me. Let's make it our fun dinner tradition.
Daniel, I'm full now.
Me too. It was a perfect meal.
I want to ask you something.
Sure. What?
What is your favorite food from today?
The pizza. Extra cheese is always my favorite.
I liked the salad. It was fresh and tasty.
Okay, one more question. What food do you want to order next time?
Maybe pasta or sushi.
I want fried chicken next time. And maybe dessert.
Yes, dessert is always good. Ice cream, maybe?
Absolutely.
Thank you so much for listening to our story today.
We hope you enjoyed it and had fun with us.
Now, we want to ask you something.
Yes, what is your favorite food?
Pizza? Salad? Burger? Maybe something else.
And what do you order the most? Tell us in the comments.
We love reading your comments.
If you liked this story,
Please give us a like. It really helps.
and don't forget to subscribe to the Daily Speak.
Because we will come back with another lesson very soon.
Thank you again.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Have a great day.